My history book, The History of a Great Family. My name is David Navarro. I am 36 years old and I have been married and I am paramedic and teaching class in the nursing school. I live in the municipality of the Abreu in the department Norte de Santander. I share with my wife and children. I head in the Holy Church. I help to care of the class to my children. My family is very big. My parents have already passed away. We are 8 brothers, 6 old women, are very beautiful and professional, who work and spend time in homes. My oldest sister is college. She is teaching Spanish. She is 6 years old. She likes to write and read too much, and in her free time she likes to travel and visit places. My little sister is also a teacher of natural sciences. She called Amparo. She is 38 years old and she likes to watch television and listen to music in her free time. She likes her brother. In my last vacation, I went with my family to Cartagena because of my overweight. We have a great time. We knew the world, the Casa San Felipe, Playa Blanca, and many shopping centers. Every afternoon, we went on the beach and enjoyed delicious drinks and read books. It was a great trip. We traveled in my car and enjoyed driving my car. I visual myself in this year and being already listening and practicing my profession, enjoying while my Wi-Fi and children and choose plans that we want to achieve. And my daughter will be 10 years old and maybe in 5 years old she will speak English. Thinking about more the future, in 10 years I see my feet totally full yet, and living happy in our homes. My happy wife with professional care finished, preparing my daughter and 15 birthday party and seeing my spruce while 10 years finished his elementary school and managing English as his second language.